Hello friends, welcome to Metrology YouTube channel. Our today's topic is two-wire method. Friends, generally in previous video we have seen there are three types of diameter, that is outer diameter, or we can say major diameter, or we can say nominal diameter. Second one is internal diameter, or we can say root diameter, okay, or we can say minor diameter. And third diameter that we have seen, that is the pitch diameter, or we can say effective diameter. So in this video we will find the effective diameter of thread by using two wire method, and you can see it is very important, right? So two wire method is for measuring the effective diameter on screw thread, right? Hardened steel wire are used. So here hardened steel wire that we are used for the method. Now you can see here from this figure and from this figure, right? So this is H, or we can say dimension over wire, or we can say maximum, right? So H is the maximum dimension over the wire. Then second is E, that is effective diameter that we have to find. Then Y, dimension under the wires, it means H minus 2D. So this is H. If we minus to diameter of this ball, then H minus, sorry, not ball but wire, so H minus 2D, right? So Y is equal to H minus 2D, dimension under the wire. So here this, in this figure you can understand by this way, Y is equal to H minus 2D. This is effective diameter, this is H, right? Now what we have to find, effective diameter of the screw thread is given by, this is standard things, E is equal to Y plus P, and P is the constant, and P is equal to, we can write 2AQ. Okay, these things you have to remember, 2AQ, okay, this distance. So P is equal to 2AQ and P is constant, and we have to find this P, okay. So for that, here if you can see, okay, we should go in this way. So here E is equal to, we can say E is equal to Y plus 2AQ. Now for AQ, for find out the AQ, from this figure you just pause the video and just see AQ is equal to QG minus AG, right? You just see this figure and decide, right? AQ is equal to QG minus AG. Now AG is equal to, now from this figure AG is equal to OG minus OA, right? And OG that we have to find, and OA is equal to, it is nothing but the half of the diameter, OA, okay? OA is the half of the diameter, wire diameter, right? So it is D by 2. Now we have to find OG, okay? So how we can find OG? So here this triangle OEG, this triangle, from this triangle OEG, sine theta by 2 is equal to OE upon OG, right? From this triangle sine theta by 2 is equal to OE upon OG. So OG is equal to, we can write OE into cosec theta by 2, because sine theta will goes down over here, and 1 upon sine theta is equal to cosec theta. So we can say here cosec theta by 2. Now OG is equal to, we can say OE, that means D by 2. This OE is equal to D by 2. So here OG is equal to D by 2 cosec theta by 2. So finally OA and OG, these both things we have now. So we can easily find out AG, okay, which I expressed over here, AG. AG is equal to d by 2 cosec theta by 2 minus d by 2. So d by 2 become common and cosec theta by 2 minus 1. So this is clear, AG, right? Okay, now AG is clear here. So here for find out AQ, AG is clear. Now we have to find QG. So how we can find the QG? So here consider the another triangle QG BCG. Okay, this triangle, if you can see here, this is B, this is C, and this is G, right? The same triangle I have written over here, right? Okay, so from BCG here, tan theta by 2 is equal to QC upon QG. Okay, tan theta by 2 is equal to QC upon QG from this triangle, right? So QG is equal to, we can write QC upon tan theta by 2. So 1 upon tan theta by 2 is equal to, we can write cot theta by 2. Okay, now this QC is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Okay, QC is equal to 1 by 2 BC, and BC is equal to again P by 2. This is pitch, right? Pitch of the thread. This is the pitch of the thread. So P by 4, QC is equal to P by 4. Okay, so QC is equal to P by 4. So we can say QG is equal to P by 4 cot theta by 2, right? Now we have QG, okay, and also we have AG. We have QG and we have AG also. So finally we can find out AQ, QG minus AG, which we have seen earlier, right? This one. Okay, so QG is equal to, AQ is equal to QG minus AG. So put the value over here, okay, QG and AG. We have put the value over here, right? Now AQ is the half of the pitch value. So P is equal to 2AQ. P is equal to 2AQ. So 2 bracket, this is AQ, okay, this one, AQ, okay, AQ. So P by 2 over here it is D. So P by 2 cot theta by 2 minus D bracket cosec theta by 2 minus 1 bracket, right? Now metric thread, for metric thread theta is equal to 60. So put the value over here 60, right? So you will find P is equal to 0.866 P. This is the pitch of the thread, P minus T. And if it is theta is equal to 55, it means Whitworth thread, then P is equal to 0.96. So P is equal to 0.9605 P minus 1.165 D. So by this way, we can find out the effective diameter by using two-wire method. So finally, we have to find out this P, okay, P, right? So I hope you understand. If you like this video, then share to your friends, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.